Hey guys, what's up? So it's going to be a super quick unboxing, as you can see from the title of the videos, from Riverside Excavation on Instagram. Um, Bought another model from really cool guy to work with. He has a lot of stuff for sale in there currently. I'll put his link in the description. Definitely go check him out. I think I paid him for this on like Tuesday, and today's Friday, August 10th, and it's at my house already. So super fast shipping, great guy to work with, great prices. He has a lot of deals on stuff. Picked this one up for real cheap, and it looks like it's in perfect condition. So just give it a quick unboxing. Figured I'd keep going with these videos. I don't have nothing up on Instagram yet of the MLC 650. Biggest reason is it's currently still in the box. I have not opened it yet. Just don't really have the space on the table at the moment. So while I'm making room, I figured, you know what, leave it dust free, keep it in the box for a little while. So as you can already see, probably, it's the Sword F250. This one's the black and white version. I have the all black, but I figured I'd pick up another one. Looks awesome. Yeah, perfect condition, nothing broken, nothing wrong with it. Good looking truck. So definitely something, like I said, I wanted to pick up and got for a good price. So super happy with it. Other than that, that's about it, guys. Haven't been doing too much lately. Instagram-wise, just been posting some pictures of the dial that I got going. Gentleman asked me on the last video, I haven't got a chance to comment back to him yet, about stop motions in the near future. That's definitely something I'm interested in doing. I actually thought about it myself. I just got to find the right program to make them on. As soon as I do that, I'm thinking about, definitely trying to get back into them. Whether they're going to be good or not, or if I, once I start doing them, if I feel like continuing them, we'll see. But something I'm going to give a try to, and hopefully it works out and get some cool stop motions going. Because really, I don't think anybody really does it anymore that I see. But I also haven't been on YouTube too much. So, but it used to be fun to do. I enjoyed doing it years ago, and a lot of people used to do them, and they were fun to watch. So definitely something to check out for. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new to this channel, I also have an Instagram. Link will be below in the description, and the link to Riverside Excavation on Instagram, who is the gentleman I bought this from. Like I say, great guy to deal with, great prices. Go check him out. He has a bunch of stuff for sale currently. So, all right, everybody have a good one, and check out Instagram for some more pictures.